1, 2, 3, let's go!
So the first thing I'm going to make is pizza. So first off, I'm just going to spread some tomato puree or sauce or whatever you want to call it around the pizza base. And then I'm going to put on some cheese. And then I'm going to cut up some vegetables because this is actually going to be a veggie pizza. So I'm cutting up some yellow pepper, and then I'm cutting up some red pepper because I do like a variety of different colours. Then I'm putting the pepper on the pizza. And then I decided to cut up an onion and peel it. And then I added the onion onto the pizza. Then I forgot to preheat the oven, so I preheated that. It's on fan at 200 degrees Celsius if you're wondering. Then I added some sweet corn, and then I put it in the oven, and then I waited 20 minutes. Once my pizza was cooked, I then cut it up very badly, as you can see, but I cut it up into quarters, and here's your pizza. You can have it hot or cold. So the next thing that you can make for back to school is fajitas. So as you can see, I'm using the same vegetables again. So I'm cutting up some yellow pepper. Then some red pepper. Then I'm cutting up an onion and peeling it and then dicing it again. And then I put some oil in a frying pan, and then I put all the vegetables in the frying pan, and I just decided to put the frying pan on max. And then I just decided to stir the vegetables around until they were cooked to how I like them. Then I added in some pre-cooked chicken. So I just had that on for about a minute until I added some of my favourite spice, which is paprika. Then once all that was a good temperature, I put them in these fajita wraps. And then I added some cheese. And here's your ready-made fajitas. Again, these are going to be eaten hot or cold. So the last thing that I made is pasta. So first off, you're going to put pasta in a pan with boiling water. And I'm just stirring that around until it's nice and soft, and then I'm draining it. Then I'm adding in some tomato sauce and just stirring that around until I really like the temperature. I usually just taste test this, just pick out a piece of pasta and just eat it off a fork. And then once it's cooked, I'm putting the pasta into 2 separate bowls because I'm sharing this. Then I'm adding some cheese. If you're wondering, this is actually lactose-free cheese because my mum can't tolerate cheese. And here's your final dish. Again, you can eat this hot or cold.